One, hope we are all doing well in Ramadan. We know we have successfully cracked our SPL 1 presentation. It's quite shocking that it went well. And now we would love to take you through our project, Travelogix, which is a travel management system. It's aims to simplify our travels and trip plannings. Let's take you through the demonstration. Okay, let's go through the how to use part at first. It's a guideline for the users. It says that create an account if you don't have any. If you have any, just log in. And then we have three roles in our app: a traveler role, a transport agency, and an admin. And according to the role, it will show a dashboard along with the instructions. Then the exit also, let's just log in as a traveler for now. We were using an existing email and a password. We can say the password is encrypted and masked for security purpose. And the email, it also has to be in valid format. That so like something at the rate of gmail.com or something at the rate of yahoo.com. Okay, we have successfully logged in and it shows the dashboard. We can plan a trip, view the trips and past activities, delete our account, and then log out. Let's add a trip. Destination, let's say start. I'm giving current time. Okay, the trip has been added. Then we want to browse the transports available from my place to the destination. The starting location is Dhaka. The destination is Seoul. It says that there are three bus available: Green Line, Purvasha, and another Purvasha, along with the starting time and the contact number. Okay, cool. Then we can manage the notes. We can add voice note, written note, and also add checklist. Let's add a voice note. I want to add a voice note like the name should be okay, I want to travel the Sundarban. When I hit enter, it stops the capturing. Okay, let's listen to the voice note I have just added. It's number one. It says, okay, I want to travel the Sundarban. When I hit, okay, when I hit enter, it's just stopped. That's why the rest are not recording. Okay, we have listened what we added. Then we want to delete one. Let's delete anything. 12. Okay, good. Then go back. Then we want to add a written note. The title should be travel and the writing should be one. Then it's as anything. Then write done in capital letters. It terminates the process. Okay, then I want to see what I've just added. It's index number one. Okay, it shows what I've added. Then we can also delete one. For now, I'm just keeping it. Then go back. Then the checklist item. I want to add items that I do not want to forget to pack. Okay, the number of items should be three. Let's add item number one. Let's say a toothbrush and a hairbrush and socks. Cool. These three items have been added. Then I want to mark the items that I have already packed. Yes, I have packed my socks. Okay, it has showing that it's a cross sign, meaning that it has been marked. And the others, let's say I have packed toothbrush too. Okay, it Also showing cross saying that it's also been marked. And I want to delete an item. Let's delete item number two. It's been deleted. Then go back. Okay, we have managed notes, browsed our transports, and added a trip. Then I want to manage the itinerary. I want to view my trips in my calendar. Okay, what does my calendar say? The red colors are the parts where my trips are, my trips durations are. Remember, I've added a trip from 25th March to 29th March. So in March 2025 calendar part, it's showing that the red colors are my trips and the others are not. We have also added previous trips for demonstration purpose. These are also colored. Then I want to set a reminder. Let's give current time, and the reminder message should be something I just want to have a notification of. And in the current time, it shows an alert along with the alert message. Then go back. We have managed itinerary 2. Now we want to track the budget for our trip. Every trip has a budget we have planned. Now we have to select the trip we have just added. I have added a trip to Khulna from 25th March. So I'm selecting the index number one. And I want to set the categories and the limits. I want to add three categories. The category should be food. It says the category already exists. We cannot add the same category twice. Then I want to add, let's say, uh, clothes. Expected limit should be 4,000. It says the category has been added. Then another category is shoes, which should be 2000. And the categories have been set. We have already wasted one category giving the wrong input. Okay, we want to view the total spending. These are the previous inputs we have given. The spending says we have set a category for food, movies, rides, clothes, and shoes. And the budgets are also showing. And we have seen the spendings also. We have not spent anything in movies or clothes or shoes category. And the remaining parts are also showing the budget remaining after spending. And the red color in rides, it says that we have crossed our budget of 8,000. We have set the budget for our rides is 2,000 and we have already spent 10,000. Means we have gone past our budget, so the extra budget is showing with a red color. It's like an alert, like we have crossed our budget. If we want to update our spending, let's enter the category for, let's say, clothes. The amount is 3,000. I have bought a nice dress. That's one first. Okay. The remarks showing in clothes category that I have bought a dress. I have spent 300 from 4,000 and I have remaining of 3,700. I want to say the overall budget of my trip. Okay, the food category is okay. The movies is okay. The rice is not okay. We have crossed the budget and the extra percentage is showing with a red color. And the clothes and shoes are also okay. Then I want to update something else. The category, let's say clothes. I have spent something like 5,000. And the remarks is, let's say another dress. And it gives an alert saying that I have crossed my budget. Did I? Yes, in the clothes category, I can see I have crossed my budget for 1,300. Okay, it's all good. The clothes percentage are also showing with the red color. Then we have seen the budget. Let's go back. We want to see all my trips and past activities. All my trips are these. These are the previous trips we have added. Then we want to remove trips. We cannot any we can remove any trips from the past because the trips are already added and done. Let's give number one. It says we cannot remove the index number one trip because it's in past. Let's try to delete something from future. Uh, Now index number 16 says that 2025 9th September said it has been removed. Okay, so trip from Paris doesn't exist. Okay, good. It has been removed. Then the year-wise trips. Year 2025, we have 3 trips, and in 2024, we have 14 trips. It shows along with the start time, the destination, the end time, and the budget, the total budget we have set. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. We want to delete our account. For now, let's just delete our account. Okay. We have to give the valid email and the password. I have to give the confirmation. Let's just add no for now. Okay, deletion cancelled. Log out. Good. Now I want to log in as transport agency. Login successful. Okay, the transport dashboard says we can add a bus, view the available buses, manage the bus service, delete our account, and then log out. For time limitation, we have just deal with the bus. We wanted to deal with almost all the transport system, but we couldn't do it. Let's add a bus. For that, we have to give a bus name. Let's say ABC. Departure location is Dhaka. The destination is, say, Chittagong. We have to give it departure time in 24-hour format. Let's say 10:30. The number plate, it has to be unique for every bus. ABC 098. The contact number is 880. Good. The bus seat. For that, we have to select row number and column number. I'm selecting 10 of rows and 6 of columns. Okay. Are at most 60 seats. Then I want to see all the available buses. I want to view the bus list by, let's say, destination. Okay, the bus names are showing. The additional info is the destination. And at last, we can see the ABC bus we have just added now, along with the contact number. We can also view buses with the number plate too. Oh, it shows the number plate now. And with the starting location also. Let's just skip for now. And the manage bus service. We want to check a specific bus details. For that, we have to give input the bus number plate. It has to be unique. And it shows the bus details of the specific bus. And we want to update a bus details. The number of bus, it should be 098. Okay, it exists. It's showing the current details. We want to add a new bus name. Let's say ABCD. Okay, then we want to give the rest of the details the same. Okay, the details has been updated. Then let's see if the specific bus details. Let's see ABC 098. But the bus name is showing ABCD, saying that the bus name has been updated and the rest of them are same. Okay, then we want to reserve a seat. The bus name is ABCD. Sorry, the number plate is 098. These are the seat matrix of that bus. I have given input a row number of 10 and column number of 6. That means there are at most 60 seats and all of them are available. I want to set book, let's say 3 seats. Number should be 1A. Okay, then let's give an invalid input. 1X doesn't exist. Okay, 1C, then 2A. Good. They have been booked. Let's book another seat. Okay, the seats I have booked previously, 1A, 2A, and 1C, are showing with a cross sign saying that these seats have been booked. Let's give 1A again. It says that it's an invalid input. So I have to select from something from the remaining. Okay, I have to give input the how many seats I want to, let's say give 2 and 1A. Okay, it's already booked. Then 2A, it's also booked. 1B, okay, booked. Okay, 1D, first one. Okay. Then these are the options in bus service. Then also I want to delete a bus. The number should remain 8. Okay, it has been deleted. Let's view the available buses again, and there is no ABCD bus or ABC098 bus because it has been deleted. These are the bus managing options, and we want to delete our account. Deleting a transport agency account isn't that easy because people are dependent on us. So for that, we have to give our email and password. Then we have to provide a reason for our account deletion. Let's say I found a better job. Okay, then it has to be approved by the admin. Then it will be deleted. Let's delete again. Let's see what happens. Says that our deleting request is already pending. We cannot give deleting request twice. We have to wait for the admin approval. Let's log out from transport agency and then log in as admin. This is the admin dashboard we are seeing, and we can see the requests from transport agency. Okay, we want to approve or reject. For now, let's say rejected. And view all the login informations from admins. We have 3% logged in. From traveler, we have 3%, and from transport, we have 4% logged in. We can also delete our account. For now, I'm just keeping it and then log out. Okay, we have exited. Now we have skipped one feature, which is create our account. For that, we have to choose a role from these. Let's say I want to choose a role from traveler. Enter your name, phone number, and email. Let's give an invalid something. And it says that it's not in valid format. We have to give a valid format for it. And a password. The password has to be 8 characters long. Okay, we have signed up successfully and it's now showing the traveler dashboard. We have already seen it, so let's just log out. And it was all our SPL1 project presentation. It usually takes us almost 18 to 20 minutes to demonstrate the complete project, but due to time limitations, we have just demonstrated the major parts of our project. And We had to skip lots of features in the official demonstration. And it was all. And let us know what you think about our project. Thank you, everyone. And this is our GitHub repository. This is the GitHub documentation. I will be putting a link in the description below. And that's it.